incredible to think about that, especially in that heat.
That was an incredible storm. Traveled for hundreds of miles, hurricane-force winds all along the path. We call it a derecho, a very long-lived complex of thunderstorms that produce a continuous damage path. We see them every now and then this time of year in Texas, but so far this year, it's been pretty quiet.
Yeah, it has been.
Unfortunately.
Well, let's take another look live downtown. It is so hot that folks aren't even staking out the best viewing spots yet there on Auditorium Shores at Lady Bird Lake. A lot of folks will be there tonight. That was Casey mentioned, anticipated crowd of about 100,000 tonight. And this is the weather you can anticipate if you're going to be downtown. We're at 97 right now. At 8 o'clock tonight, 93. That'll be about 30 minutes before the symphony gets underway. Fireworks at 9:30. They should still be going on at 10. They ought to have some leftover fireworks from last year, shouldn't they? Hopefully they'll still be going on after 10 o'clock tonight. 86 degrees will be the temperature at that hour. There has been a fairly nice breeze, though, today, and so it's a whole lot better than it was last year on the 4th of July around here. Temperatures out in the hill country, well, this isn't so bad, really. 90 at the Gillespie County Airport is the lowest reading right now, but that's typically the coolest thermometer in the area. 93 in Llano, it's 95 in Burnett. In the metro area right now, temperatures in the mid to upper 90s, 97 in Georgetown. Again, our high today has been 99, but not quite that hot off to the east. We've seen a couple of isolated showers get real close to Lee County, but this afternoon readings there only in the low 90s, 94 degrees in Smithfield. Awful nice. In the city, a little hotter, 97 at Camp Mabry. Skies are partly cloudy. At the airport, it's 95 degrees with the partly cloudy sky. And look at that wind, south-southeast, averaging 12 in the city, averaging 13 out at ABIA, and occasionally we're seeing gusts over 20 miles per hour. And the sun will be up until 8:36 tonight. In our allergy forecast for tomorrow, we're expecting the mold count to be high as it's been most of the summer. Well, look around Texas here. On the 4th of July, it's pretty rare that we don't see 100-degree heat, but not many places today. In fact, the only 100-degree temperature right now on this map is down in Laredo at 102. Houston at 90, 98 degrees, though, pretty warm up there in Dallas. So where is the 100-degree heat? It is hotter right now in Chicago than it is in Austin. It is hotter right now in Minneapolis than it is in Austin. They are baking up here. Minneapolis today broke their all-time July 4th record. Chicago today was it was 102 this afternoon. It tied their record high for the day, and it was the first time in 101 years that they've had 100-degree heat on the 4th of July in Chicago. They're still at 99 right now, so you can see where the center of this hot, high-pressure bubble is right now. And if you look at the water vapor, you can also tell where it is because everything is circulating around it. There are excessive heat warnings in every state from eastern South Dakota to southwestern Ohio. They are just about sick of it. Now, here in Texas, we're being influenced by the high-pressure ridge and will a little more so over the next couple of days. That's going to move our temperature up a degree or two, okay? But then after tomorrow and Friday, guess what? The high-pressure ridge is going to shift to the west. We're actually going to see a little low form over Louisiana and then slowly work its way westward over a several-day period, which will bring our temperature back down toward the mid-90s and give us a chance of rain. So this is superb for us, not so much so for the Midwest. Tonight, the overnight lows in the low and mid-70s, and then tomorrow afternoon, we'll expect high temperatures to be, I think, a degree or two hotter most likely than today with this high pressure strengthening just a little. Tonight in Austin, 75. Now, mostly clear skies during the fireworks festivities tonight, but the breeze is going to stay up. So if you're not enjoying a public display and you're setting off your own fireworks tonight, be aware that those sparks are going to fly a little bit, and it's still very dry and dangerous out there, so have a bucket of water or a water hose nearby. Tomorrow, breeze is about the same. The afternoon high temperature about a degree warmer. Let's go 100 tomorrow in Austin with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies after some low clouds early in the morning. And then we might hit 101 on Friday. We might still get to 100 on Saturday. But then after that, we think we will drop down below 100 and we will stay there. In fact, we'll even drop down lower than that toward the early to middle part of next week. And look at those rain chances. Anytime you get some rain chances on the map in July, it is a good thing.
A very good thing. Jim, we thank you for that. We have a lot of green on our traffic map to show you right now. Free-flowing traffic pretty much in all directions. A little red down there, more congested toward the Y and Oak Hill on 290 there where it splits off of 71. Woodward Street, there's an accident there at the Ben White Service Road, so be aware of that. Let's take a live look out now at the interstate. This is at the upper deck near MLK Boulevard. Everybody getting along quite well here at 5:21 on this Wednesday evening. Make that morning commute smoother by watching KXAN News Today. We begin at 4:30 every weekday morning and bring you weather and traffic together every 10 minutes.